Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can extend your songs on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. Then sign into your account. After you sign into your account, you will see this type of profile. What you need to do next is click on Library. As you go to Library, you will find some of your songs. If you don't have any songs created, you should probably create one. Just go ahead and click on Create a song of your own, adding your lyrics, style of music, title, and then it will be placed in Library once you have completed it. Now, to extend a particular song, just go ahead and hover around the song you really want to extend. Go ahead and click on Extend, and this menu will open up. Now you can see that the extension version is over here. Go ahead and click on Surprise Me. After click on Surprise Me, the lyrics will be added up and the song will be extended. So wait for a while, and in a while you can see the verses has been added. Go ahead and add in the style of music as well, so you can see the extension version from here. So you can see extend from, so this is the song which we are extending, and you can see the time is over here. So the time will start from here and our new song will be created. So go ahead and click on Extend. After click Extend, you can see in a while this same song will be extended and will reach about 4 minutes. So you can see 2 minutes of extension will be done to our song. So you can see the new song has been created because we have added new lyrics and this is our extended music. So if you click on play, now the music will start to play and the duration of the music will be around 4 minutes. So this is how easy it is to extend your music or song on Suno AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.